Alright, welcome this evening. We're doing a Fuzzy Naval. Now this is caught somewhere between the classiness of a mimosa and the trashiness of a screwdriver. What's critical here is using good juice. You can pay for it, but I'm just going to squeeze my own. Now if you got a juicer, this would work better, or even one of the big ones. I just got a little hand press. But it gets the job done. You might have to cut the oranges down to size to fit. But we're making progress. Fill up a highball glass with some ice. And we're going to give it a little bit of love with that vodka. We're going to give it an 1.5 ounces or one standard shot. In it goes. Now, these peach schnapps, they can be pretty sweet. Combine that with the orange juice, you're not going to need any extra sugar. I'm only going to put 1 ounce of the peach schnapps in. Trust me, it'll taste like peaches. It'll happen. Now got about 4 ounces of that freshly squeezed orange juice, and in it goes. Now I'm straining it because I don't want floaties. Sometimes I like the pulp, but not tonight. This would make a great brunch drink, by the way. Not so much of an evening drink. This is a morning drink. Now, could have put some more ice in the glass, but instead, to fill it up and make it look pretty, I'm going to put in some club soda. So it'll dilute it a little bit, plus it'll give it some good bubbles. Give it a stirry stir. Make sure it's all mixed up nice and good. Oh, a little tasty taste. Tastes good. Throw some orange in there to act as a garnish. Uh-oh. Guess I want to put it down in there a little bit deeper.
Get in there, soldier.
Another tasty taste. Still tastes good. Put it on the rim. And then, oh, we're going to put something green in there this time. A little sprig of mint, and we're good to go. Ooh, can he get it to stick? He can. Enjoy.